Let's learn Shine Like Gold. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 4 after 16 counts and a tag on the end of wall 10. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, the tag, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 11 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Shine Like Gold. Section 1, your beat's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a V step, so you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the left diagonal, step your right foot back center, and step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do what I call disco toes. We're going to point our right toe forward, point your right toe to the right side, and then you're going to touch your right toe behind your left. We're going to look over our left shoulder towards 9 o'clock, and you're going to clap your hands twice in up and down motion, kind of like you're saying all done. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a gradually quarter turning lock step. What's going to gradually turn is our body. Our feet are going to head towards the 3 o'clock wall. So you're going to step your right foot forward towards that 3 o'clock wall. Your body is going to be angled into the diagonal. You're now going to bring your left foot in behind your right, and then you're going to step forward with your right foot, squaring up to the 3 o'clock wall. You're now going to do a left step lock step, stepping your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward. We're going to end this section by rocking forward with your right foot and recover back onto your left. Now what you can do for some styling is angle your body opposite of your stepping foot. Because we are keeping our body angled to the left when we do that right lock step, you'll go step, lock, step, and then you can kind of open your body to the right as you do your left lock step, step, lock, step, and kind of square up, just so they kind of both match and it gives some movement into your steps. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just did our touch behind and our claps. You're going to do your gradually quarter turning lock step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do back touches. So you're going to step your right foot back. You're going to touch your left toe slightly forward with a bent knee. We're now going to do the same thing with our left. So you're going to step back with your left, touch your right toe slightly forward with a bent knee. Step back with your right, touch your left, step back with your left, touch your right. So let's try it with some counts, and then we'll talk about the styling that you can add on. Weight is on your left. We're doing our back touches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I like to kind of shimmy and shake as I do those step touches, add a little bit of body movement into those. You could do that as well. You could just shimmy your shoulders. You could just kind of shake your hips as you go back. You could do body rolls. You could roll your hands if you would like. Whatever you would like to do. The music has a little bit of a disco beat, so you can kind of add some movement into your body as you do those back touches. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a grapevine with a cross. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. We're now going to do toe switches, so you're going to point your right toe to the right side, step your right next to your left, point your left toe to the left side. Step your left next to your right, and we're going to touch our right toe forward with a slightly bent knee. So you want to have it slightly in front, bend that knee, and what we're going to do is a right hip bump. You're going to use the ball of your right foot to push forward and straighten your knee, and you're going to have your hip come up and down, and you're going to settle onto that left foot, but don't sit back. You want to be forward because we're going to go into our V step. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're doing our grapevine with a cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now, if you would like to add some hand motions, what my class like to do is kind of do some points on those touches. So they like to make a nice long line from fingertip to toe. So they're going to point their right finger into the left diagonal, and then you will switch and point your left finger into the right diagonal on those points, and then they drop it when they do their touch. Feel free to add that in if you want. You don't have to. All of the styling is optional. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're doing our V step. So you're going out, out, in, going forward, side, behind. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, recover, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine with or cross, point, step, touch, hip, bump. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 5, so it'll be the first time that we're dancing the 9 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance up to count 16, which is your rock, recover. Now, you can just rock, recover, and then go into your V step. What I find easier is if I rock and I kind of pop that right knee up, so my body matches how we would be ending the dance, and then I feel a little bit better going into that V step. So when you do that restart facing the front, you'll rock, and instead of coming back all the way onto your left foot like we do when we recover, you're going to rock and you're going to kind of stay where you are, settle down onto your left and pop that right knee, and that V step will feel easier to transition to. So let's dance those 16 counts, including our pop, so that you know where it happens. Weight is on your left, you're doing your V step, so it's out, out, in, point forward, side, behind. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, pop. Ready to start over again, V step. After that restart, you'll dance a full rotation around, and then on wall 10, which is the side facing wall or our 3 o'clock wall, you'll dance the full 32 counts coming to 6 o'clock, where you're going to add on your tag. The tag is nice and easy, it's just a V step. So when we are doing wall 11, it's going to feel like you're doing the V step twice. The only difference is our V step for our tag has hand motions, because when that tag is happening, the music sings a nice long shine like gold. We're going to have our hands match that. So what you're going to do is have your palms facing forward, so away from your body. You will see the backs of your hands. You're just going to bring your hands in front, above, and out, kind of like you're doing a nice big arc with both hands. As you do that, you're going to kind of wiggle your fingers, do jazz fingers. I like to call them sparkle fingers. And you're just going to wiggle your fingers as you come up and around. You're just going to add that onto the V step. So let's face it front so that you can see what it looks like. We're going to do our normal V step like we do to start the dance, out, out, and in. All we're going to do is add hands as we do it. So as we step out, out, you're going to bring your hands in front and up to the top above your head. So we're stepping out, out. Now we're going to step in, and you're going to bring your hands out to the side. You want to make this V step and your hands nice and big. I like to kind of push my hips as I do this V step, making it a really big motion, because you want to fill those lyrics, and then you will start over again with your regular V step. So now let's face the 6 o'clock wall where it happens. We would have just done our point and touch, hip, bump. You're going to do your sparkle fingers tag with your V step. So we're going out, out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're ready to go into your regular V step. Now let's talk about the ending. The dance ends facing 12 o'clock, so you don't actually need to do an ending, but it has a couple of counts before the music completely ends, and it has a nice big heavy beat right as the music is ending. So what I like to do is do some sort of pose. You can step up to the side and put your hands up like you're doing a nice big superstar pose. You can pop your hip to the side if you would like. You can put your hands out. Do your best superstar pose that you would like to do because you are shining like gold. Yeah? So have fun with the ending. You have that one beat where you should hit it, putting that hand up in the air however you want. Pose out to the side, but you should hit that final beat however you do your hands. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 11 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart and the tag into their next walls. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our V step, so it's out, out, in, point forward, side, behind. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, recover, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine with a cross, point step, touch, hip bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. V step. Point forward, side, behind. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, recover, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine with a cross. Point step, touch, hip bump, 16 counts with your knee pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart at V. Step, point forward, side, behind. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, recover, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch. Grapevine with a cross. Point step, touch, hip bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. V step. Point forward, side, behind. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, recover, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch. Grapevine with a cross. Point step, touch, hip bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. V step. Now your disco toes. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, recover, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch. Grapevine with a cross. Point step, touch, hip bump. This is wall 10 at the end of wall. At the end of this wall, you're going to add on your tag. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Do your tag. It's V step. V step. Point forward, side, behind. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, recover, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch. Grapevine with a cross. Point step, touch, hip bump. And then after that, you only really have one wall left where you do your ending, do your superstar pose. So now that you've learned with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice it as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Shine Like Gold. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
since